Yeah, we have here your very big kit right here, and this is your. Woo! This is your Typhus. I don't know how to do it. How to pronounce, but it for me it's Typhus Gundam Chimera. Okay. From the god Typhoon. I think it's from the Greek mythology. And yeah, this is from the Gundam Build Metaverse. As I can see it, it's a combination of your Raphael Gundam, the Barbatos one. It's like, it's the flying jetpack, like that kind of transportation kind of gimmick. And then the hand of your Psycho Gundam. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gablover Show signing off. Thank you.